Good afternoon, students. Now it is HS2NDYR mathematics class. We are doing integration and we are doing exercise 7.3, question number 18. Now we are going to do here cos twice x plus 2 sine square x divided by cos square x. So see how to do this one. As we are, when you get this type of sum, automatically you will give some your technique. Twice x you break and it is 1 minus 2 sine square x plus 2 sine square x divided by cos square x dx is equal to integration 1 minus, these two will cancel. So 1 minus 0 cos square x dx. So it is integration sec square x dx. Integration sec square x is tan x plus c. So this is our question number 18. So students, I think you understand this one. Only cos twice x you have to take and nothing you have to do in this one. So, and also I will not tell in other language until you react. Now question number 19. Question number 19, dx divided by sin x cos cube x. Here how to do? When you get this type of sum, automatically we will think what we can do for this one. So many ways we can go. So one of the ways that you can do is what? If I write here 1 sin x then automatically here you have to write that is sin square x cos cube x dx. Now then after this one we will try that what can we do for this one. Okay students, I want to go a shortcut method. What is shortcut? That is, instead of doing this, if I write sin square x cos square x, keep it as it is, don't divide this one, then integration sin square x by this one, your mind should react that can we do like that one, plus cos square x sin x dx. Method may be so many, but we will follow what it is our convenient. So integration sin cancel, it will be 10 sec square x. So it is easily we can do. Here integration cos square and this will cancel and automatically we will find dx by sin x cos x. Now students, this you see that this one is differentiation of this one. So if we substitute tan x equal to y, then it will be what? Sec square x dx will be dy. For this one only we can say this is y dy. For this one, you see that if we write here 2, we can give here 2 also. So we can write integration there dx by sin twice x. Sin twice x formula is this one. This can be written as y square by 2. This is what? Integration cosec twice x dx. Y is our equation, so we will write tan square x by 2 plus 2. Here one formula is there, log modulus cot twice x minus cosec twice x divided by 2. So plus, so this is the sum of the integration question number 19. Students, I again want to repeat that I will do the other conversation unless your attendance is full 100%. You have to say, sir, now you tell in other languages. I want your reaction. Sorry to say, nobody reacted, so that's why I am doing it only in the English, because English is your only media for this college. it is neither a regional language college or this one, and you have to prepare your answer in English, so that's why I am bound to do for your response only. Now question number 20. Integration cos twice x by cos x plus sin x whole thing square dx. Here you will find that what to do in this sum. We can break cos twice x, one formula is there, cos square x minus sin square x, and here as it is cos x plus sin x whole thing square dx. This can be written as a square not as b square formula. So cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and here cos x plus sin x whole thing square. So one value will cancel and we will get cos x minus sin x in the numerator, and denominator is only cos x plus sin x dx. Now what to do? See, if we take let cos x plus sin x is equal to y, denominator I have taken, its differentiation is minus sin x, its differentiation is plus cos x. This dx is equal to dy. It means numerator is differentiation of denominator. So we can write this numerator term as dy and denominator is only y. So we take the log modulus y plus c. Log modulus y means here cos x plus sin x plus c. So this is our sum. Next, question number 21. Question number 21 is integration sin inverse cos x. Now students, see what we can do for this one. Here the sin inverse, this one, integration of sin inverse is not in our formula. So we can write sin inverse as cos inverse theta, sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta is 90. So sin inverse of anything we can write 90 minus cos inverse theta. Inverse trigonometrical formula is this. So here we can write 90 minus cos inverse cos x whole thing dx. So integration 90, cos and cos inverse will cancel each other, and this. Now integration 90 dx, we can write integration dx, integration x dx. Then this can be written as pi by 2 x, and this is x square by 2 plus c. So student, you see that how nicely we can do, but when you see this one, we will be what in the dilemma, what to do this one. Now question number 22. I can again explain, I want to repeat this one. If you say only, sir, we need this one, nobody reacted, that's why I am doing this way. Only in English I am explaining. Dx cos x minus a cos x minus b. Now this is very important question. So many times it is given also. Now students, how to do this one? Here one technique we have to write. It is, if we write here 1 by sine b minus a. So definitely b minus a is the constant. Here we can write 1 minus sine, that is b minus a. That is here, shall I write this is b. Okay, let's not to be made clumsy, we will write here also b minus a. I have introduced here sine, there also sine. Now see 1 by sine b minus a integration. We can write this b minus a as x minus a minus x minus b. You see, is it? Shall I write? Yes, we can write this one. Why? If we would draw this brackets, then x and minus x will cancel each other. This minus will make minus b as plus b, and this is the minus. So b minus a, we can write this one. Now think this is sine a minus b. So if we use this sine a minus b formula, this will be sine x minus a cos x minus b minus cos x minus a sine x minus b. So we can write this one as what? This. So I have broken sine a minus b formula. Now we will break this one. If we break, then we will get is equal to 1 by sine b minus a integration. This divided by this sine x minus a cos x minus b divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b minus cos x minus a sine x minus b divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b and whole thing dx. So I have isolated this one. So one thing, cos x minus b cos x minus b can cancel. Not only this, there also we can cancel sine. Sorry. This we cannot cancel. We will cancel only cos x minus a, this one. Sorry, this one not to cancel. Okay. So this is 1 by sine b minus a integration. See, cos sine x minus a cos x minus b, definitely it is 10 x minus a minus. This is cos cancel here, sine by cos. Here also we have to write 10 x minus b whole thing dx. Now only we have to do the last part of this one. And this one, it will be our formula of 10x dx is log, it is sec x minus a, and this one log sec x minus b. So this we can write plus c. Little bit simplification we will do. It will that log. This is 1 by cos x minus a. This is 1 by. So we can write this one as cos x minus b by cos x minus a modulus. If you keep it here also, then also answer is okay. So this way we can do our required sum. And students, this way we have to do it. Is for examination purpose. It is very important. So it is many times given in CBSE as well as this one our state board also given. So you have to copy it. You have to understand this one. Now we will do our next sum. Next question is question number 23. Integration sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. So if I break this one, it is the simple sin square x by sin square x cos square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x whole thing dx. Students, we can cancel this one. So ultimately it is what? 1 by cos square x. So it is sec square x. It is what? Cos x square x dx. Then integration of sec square, it is the 10x. Integration of cos x square, it is the minus. So minus plus cos x plus c. So this is our question number 23. So this is our sum. So here option is given. Which option is correct? So we can write here answer is A in this sum. Now last sum of this exercise, with that we will end our today's this one as well as this exercise. This exercise is taken so many days. I have taken this one. So last question number, this one, e to the power x 1 plus x divided by cos square ex and e to the power x into x dx. Now students, what we will do here, in this case, if we substitute, let e to the power x into x is equal to y. I have taken this substitution. Now if we differentiate, its differentiation is again e to the power x. You need to be formed. I kept this one and I have differentiated this one. Then I will keep this one. And if we differentiate x, it is the 1. This dx is equal to dy. Now if I take e to the power x common, then now students, you see this is what our numerator. So shall I write this one as dy and here cos square y. I have replaced this one as y. So we will get what? Sec square y dy. That is sec square, so 10y plus c is equal to 10 e to the power x into x plus c. So here also they have asked which option is correct. So I think it is option is B is correct. So we have to write answer B. So student, that much for today. We have completed full exercise. Now you have to say, what is your reaction? If you ask again to explain, I have no problem to say, but you have to say, and response you have to give. You are from your side, you are asking, you are doubting, nobody is doing. This way you cannot do. Your life is a matter. Another thing, it is mandatory to give attendance by writing in the comment box. If your percentage is below 80% attendance, then you cannot sit in the final exam. Another thing, students, you have to give the whole unit test honestly. From 20th July onwards, we will take online test. And it may be, I again want to say it may be, it is not compulsory, may be considered. If situation is very bad, then these marks will be counted for your final result. That's all for today.